let us move. So let me tell one point ki this is the junction. Here it is a junction. We sometimes call it as node also. And the convention which we had taken was, if the current is away from the junction, if the current is away from the node, all those we will take it as negative. And if the current is towards the node, the direction is towards the node, then we take it as positive. Here I1 and I4 are positive. I1 and I4, they are positive, and remaining they are negative. So this is the first rule. Second, this is the convention which we have taken. The incoming current towards the junction are taken positive. The outgoing currents away from the junction are taken negative. You can take the opposite of this also. There is no problem in that. But the thing is that you should stick to only one convention, either this one or the opposite of this one, right? The second law was voltage law, yeah, loop law. Loop law. According to the loop law, the EMF is taken negative when we traverse from positive to negative terminal to the cell through the electrolyte. The EMF is taken positive when we traverse from negative to positive terminal of the cell through the electrolyte. And the potential falls, the potential falls along the direction of current in a current path, and it rises along the direction opposite. The potential rise is taken as positive. मैंने आपको जो समझाया था, I had explained you with the help of DOT and DOC. Can anyone tell me what is DOT and what is DOC? Yes.
DOC is direction of current and DOT is direction of travel.
Yeah. When we say direction of traverse and direction of current, if I say that direction of traverse and direction of current, suppose I am having this as direction of traverse, this is the direction of traverse, and this is the direction of current. Okay, this is DOT and this is DOC. So we will take, according to our convention, we will take it as positive or negative. Anyone?
Negative.
We will take it as negative. Okay, and if DOT and DOC are opposite in direction, we will take it as positive. That was our convention. Second convention which we have taken regarding a cell, if I am traveling from negative terminal of a cell to positive terminal of a cell, like this, if I am traveling, my direction of traverse is this way, then I will take positive or negative for the EMF.
Positive.
Positive I'll take.
Positive.
Yes, positive I'll take. Then if I'm moving like this, if while I am traversing, if I am traversing like this, okay, traveling like this, and but if I'm traveling like this, if the EMF, the battery has come, the cell has come, if I am traveling from positive terminal coming first and negative terminal coming next, then I will be taking the negative sign. On the basis of this, we tried to solve this. On the basis of that only, these expressions have come. दिस न्यूमेरिकल वी हैड डन, एंड न्यूमेरिकल के साथ ये आया था. आज फिर से आप ट्राई करना अपने इंडिपेंडेंटली, नहीं होता है तो वी विल अगेन डिस्कस. हम आते हैं व्हीटस्टोन ब्रिज में. ठीक है, व्हीटस्टोन ब्रिज में आते हैं. व्हीटस्टोन ब्रिज, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय व्हीटस्टोन ब्रिज? अब व्हीटस्टोन ब्रिज क्या है? कुछ नहीं है. व्हीटस्टोन ब्रिज, व्हीटस्टोन और फिजिसिस्ट, उसने ये ब्रिज बनाया था. कुछ नहीं है, उसने ही टोल्ड दैट इफ some resistance are kept in a certain design. वो डिज़ाइन क्या है? वो ऐसा है. ये एक डिज़ाइन हो गया. देखना डिज़ाइन कैसा बनता है. दिस इज अ डिज़ाइन. ये चार रेजिस्टेंस है. ये चार रेजिस्टेंस है. रेजिस्टेंस, लेट अस लेबल them as P, Q, R, S, and one more resistance is there. This is say G. If you are keeping these 5 resistance in this fashion and you are connecting a battery with a key here, if you are connecting this, then this sort of setup is known as Wheatstone bridge. ये Wheatstone, इसको हम Wheatstone bridge बोलते हैं. क्या है Wheatstone bridge? Wheatstone bridge एक कुछ रेजिस्टेंस, 5 रेजिस्टेंस का एक डिज़ाइन है, एक डिज़ाइन करके ऐसे बना दिया। डिज़ाइन करके ऐसे ऐसे अगर हम बना दें तो इसको हम व्हीटस्टोन ब्रिज बोलते हैं। अगर आपको बोले कि आप व्हीटस्टोन ब्रिज बनाइए, तो आपको क्या-क्या चाहिए बनाने के लिए, बताना? कोई एक जना बताओ कि इफ आई आस्क यू नाउ यू हैव टू मेक वन व्हीटस्टोन ब्रिज, what materials you need? Tell me. You are coming to the lab, physics lab, and all the materials are there, and I ask you now, please make one Wheatstone bridge. So what how you'll make?
सर बैटरी चाहिए, स्विच चाहिए और रेजिस्टेंस चाहिए।
बताओ क्या क्या चाहिए, बताते जाना मुझे। बैटरी चाहिए बोला ना, ठीक है, ये बैटरी हो गया 2, ठीक है, 2 बैटरी हो गया, फिर आगे बोलो।
So 5 resistance.
स्विच या फिर
5 रेजिस्टेंस, ये एक हो गया, ये 2 हो गया, सॉरी ये क्या हुआ, जुड़ गया यार, तो ये एक हो गया, ये दूसरा हो गया, ये तीसरा हो गया, ये चौथा हो गया, ये 5वां हो गया। और क्या चाहिए? एक स्विच ले लेता हूँ।
Switch.
और क्या चाहिए?
वायर।
वायर चाहिए।
वायर।
इनको जोड़ने के लिए वायर चाहिए। तो देखते रहना स्टूडेंट्स की, मैं इसको व्हीटस्टोन ब्रिज जैसा ही बना रहा हूँ, बिल्कुल वैसे ही। ओके, कनेक्ट कर दिया। ओके, अब यहाँ से कनेक्ट कर देना। और कैसा है, ये कनेक्ट है ना, इसे एक बार और लिया, ठीक है। ओके, now the last one, this one. Now tell me what is left. Where is P? Tell me. This is P. This resistance is P. This resistance is Q, ना? This resistance is Q. This is R and this is S. देखो तो यहाँ पर क्या है? This is P. This is Q. This is R and this is S. Then one G is there. So this one is your G. This one is your. This is your G, right? ठीक है, तो ये P हो गया, this is Q, and this is R, and this is S, right? Now what is left? We have to connect the battery. Okay, I'm connecting the battery like this. One wire here, one wire here, then one wire here with a switch, then another wire. Take one more wire. Okay, it's connected here. Then with this wire. So this is your Wheatstone bridge. Quite similar to, no? This is your Wheatstone bridge. Quite similar to this diagram. Switch is off here. I am trying to put on the switch now. Switch is off here. I am trying to put on the switch now. So I am trying to put on the switch. See carefully what happens. What should happen? Tell me. Any one of you. What should happen? Let me check the resistance. You are having pen and pencil. Okay, you draw this figure. I'll just tell you. You will draw some important conclusion here. A very nice conclusion where you will try to understand what actually happens. Yes. Draw this figure. Now I am giving you the value of P now. What is P actually? Tell me what is P? What is P?
Resistor.
Yeah, P is a resistance. Resistor. This R is also resistor. S is also resistor. Q is also resistor. G is also resistor. Having certain values. Okay. Now I am giving the value of P. See, let us check what is the value of P. I had not put on the switch. Okay. Let me give you the value of the value of P. Write down the value of P is 10. I'm making it as 20 ohm. Okay, write down P equal to 20 ohm. Right now, here Q is 10 ohms. Let it be 10 ohms only. This Q na नीचे वाला Q था. Okay, this Q is 10 ohms. Right now, let me make this as say 30. This is 30 ohms. क्या लिखा? R equal to 30 ohms. R equal to 30, and here last one S equal to कितना है? Let me check. It is 10 ohms only. 10 ohms. गैलोमीटर का रेजिस्टेंस यहाँ गैलोमीटर G जो है गैलोमीटर बोल दिया ना, बट रेजिस्टेंस है दिस रेजिस्टेंस वैल्यू इज अगेन दे आर शोइंग एज 10 ohms. Okay, now this is a Wheatstone bridge, actually live Wheatstone bridge. Now you have to find out कि can anyone tell me if I put on the switch what will happen? Current will flow or not, and how the current will flow, from which direction the current will flow. Tell me. Yes? If you have problem, you can give me a message. I can check the message also. What is the value of P? The value of P, I told you. What is the value of P? Anyone tell me?
20 ohm.
20 ohms, I think. 20 ohms, yeah, it is 20 ohms. Current will be flowing through the circuit or not? This I want to know. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it will be flowing because different resistance है अलग configuration में, the current will be flowing. Let us see how the current is flowing. Okay, I am putting on the switch now. See, current is flowing. This is the things which are flowing here. Are they the direction of current? Anyone, please?
No, sir.
No, they are the direction of what?
Electrons
Direction of
opposite to current.
Electrons. Charge.
electrons. है ना? Now see here also, in this branch, I am talking about which branch? I am talking about this branch. So let me label it as A, B. Okay, so that it is easy for our communication. This is C and this is D. Okay, I talk about the branch AB. You had seen current is flowing. BC you had seen current is flowing. CD you had seen current is flowing. AD also current is flowing. Here also current is flowing. You are seeing here current is flowing or not? If I increase the value here, suppose what was the value here? What was the value here? The value is 20 ohms here, right? The value here is 20 ohms. Okay, 20, and here it is, how much is this? 10. Okay, this is 20, this is 10, right? And how much is here? Here it is 30. If I increase this, suppose I'm increasing this, how much is here now? 40. And here, if I am increasing this also, changing this, if I am changing this, and if I change here to very less, say 2 ohms only, nearly 2 ohms. Some movement is there, but not exactly
maybe because we had given more resistance there. अब यहाँ का जो सेल है ना, ओके ऐसा कम करते हैं, यहाँ पर रेजिस्टेंस ज़्यादा हो गया है, तो व्हाट विल डू इज इस सेल का इसको मैं चेंज कर देता हूँ, वोल्टेज को बढ़ा देता हूँ थोड़ा सा, ताकि करंट का फ्लो हमको दिखता रहे, है ना। वोल्टेज कम के कारण बहुत धीरे करंट फ्लो हो रहा था। लेट मी इंक्रीज वोल्टेज ऑफ द अदर सेल आल्सो, ठीक है। अब देखो, अब बताओ पूरे के पूरे उसमें हर ब्रांच में, इफ आई टॉक अबाउट all the branches here, which branches, if I talk about all the branches here, AB current is flowing, AD current is flowing, BC current is flowing, DC current is flowing, and here AC also current is flowing, all the branches current is flowing, right? Now what was the value P में, what was the value, can anyone tell me? P में कितना वैल्यू रखा था, कोई बताओ तो।
20 ohm.
अभी
20 or 20
20 रखा था, और Q में कितना रखा था, Q में कितना रखा था, देखना पड़ेगा क्या, याद नहीं है?
10.
देखो 10 रखा था ना, 10, ओके 10 लिख देता हूँ मैं। और यहाँ पर कितना था, याद है? यहाँ पर कितना था, 40 है, ठीक है। यहाँ पर 40 है, किसमें, R में 40 है ओम से, और इसमें कितना है, इसमें कितना था, इसमें है 50, राइट, इसमें 50 है, S equal to 50। अब देखो Wheatstone bridge, if we talk about the Wheatstone bridge, तो I told you what is Wheatstone bridge. Wheatstone bridge, if 5 resistors are arranged in certain fashion, this fashion, and a cell is connected, current is made to flow in this. So this is known as Wheatstone bridge. Now one term is there, balancing of Wheatstone bridge. Balancing of Wheatstone bridge. अब बैलेंसिंग ऑफ व्हीटस्टोन ब्रिज क्या होता है? बैलेंसिंग ऑफ व्हीटस्टोन ब्रिज होता है if listen carefully, if P by Q equal to R by S, and this is known as balancing of Wheatstone bridge. If P by Q equal to R by S, then they say that G is always equal to current, there no current flows in the branch AC में कोई करंट फ्लो नहीं होता। अब AC कौन सा, ये वाला AC, ये AC में करंट फ्लो होगा ही नहीं। यहाँ पर करंट फ्लो हो रहा है ना, इसको हटा देता हूँ मैं, सपोज फॉर एग्जांपल इसको रिमूव कर लिया मैंने, ठीक है। इसको रिमूव करके मान लो मैं यहाँ पर एक बल्ब लगा देता हूँ, ठीक है। बताना ये बल्ब जलेगा कि नहीं जलेगा, कोई बता सकता है बल्ब जलेगा कि नहीं जलेगा?
जलेगा।
हाँ जलेगा। इसको ऐसे कनेक्ट कर, चल रहा है ना, क्योंकि करंट कम है, ठीक है, धीमे जलेगा, चल रहा है लेकिन, ओके। यू शुड नॉट कंफ्यूज हियर, व्हाट इज दिस बल्ब, एक्चुअली दिस बल्ब इज अ सॉर्ट ऑफ रेजिस्टेंस ओनली। यहाँ पर ये कंफ्यूज नहीं करना है कि अरे ये बल्ब क्यों लगा दिया इधर, एक्चुअल में इस फिगर में ये क्या है, ये बल्ब है क्या, ये बल्ब ये नहीं है, ये एक रेजिस्टेंस है। तो bulb is also a kind of resistance only, you should not get confused. I am trying to make you understand कि when current is not flowing here, according to the balancing of Wheatstone bridge, they say that P by Q equal to R by S। ऐसी थोड़ी बोल दिया उन लोगों ने कि P by Q, वो बोलते हैं कि according to the balancing of Wheatstone bridge, if the ratio of those resistances P by Q equal to R by S, VP sir was asking you कि P by Q और कुछ भी हो सकता है, कुछ भी हो सकता है, A by B equal to C by D, तो A B कौन सा हो जाएगा यहाँ पर, ये A हो जाएगा, ये B हो जाएगा, ये C हो जाएगा, 1 2 3 4, 1 by 2 equal to 3, कुछ भी, okay, will not go into that. Now P by Q equal to R by S जब हो रहा है, तो ये they are saying that in this branch जब इस तरह का कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई होगा, P by Q equal to R by S होगा, उस केस में AC में करंट कोई फ्लो नहीं होगा। गैलोमीटर अगर यहाँ पर रखते हैं तो गैलोमीटर डिफ्लेक्शन नहीं देगा, बल्ब अगर यहाँ पर रखते हैं तो बल्ब ग्लो नहीं होगा। They are saying that हमारे पास तो पूरा का पूरा ऐसा इमेज है कि यहाँ पर इलेक्ट्रॉन का फ्लो ही दिख रहा है, तो हम तो ऐसे ही देख के बता देंगे कि यहाँ whether the current is flowing here or not। ओके, टाइम ज्यादा हो गया, मैं जल्दी से आपको ये एक्सपेरिमेंट को पूरा कर देता हूँ, देन and you can leave the class. We'll continue afterwards. Okay. Now see, इसमें देख लो अभी. अब मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ? What I have to do? Tell me. Anyone of you to tell me what I have to do for making P by Q equal to R by S? Anyone?
So change the resistance of S.
Change them. What is here? How much is this? Huh?
S.
This is
Resistance of
नोट कर लो अभी 20 है. ये 20 है, ठीक है. रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ क्या बोला है? रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ S. रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ S को कितना करना होगा?
20.
हाँ S, ये हुआ ना S. Yes or no?
हाँ.
इसको
हाँ,
मैं
sir.
कितना करूँ? 20. हाँ 20 करने से रेशियो सही हो जाएगा. ओके अभी 20 कर देता हूँ. 40 हुआ है, 20 हो गया. Then अब देखो, is this bulb glowing? No. करंट फ्लो हो रहा है? नहीं हो रहा. हाँ तो वही बताने की कोशिश कर रहे थे कि अगर P by Q equal to R, अभी P कितना है? P कितना है? 20. Q कितना है? 10. मतलब 20 by 10. 20 by 10 कितना हुआ? 2 by 1 हुआ है ना? 2 by 1. यहाँ पर कितना है? ये 40 by 20. 40 by 20 भी रेशियो कितना हुआ? 2 by 10 ही है, मतलब 2 by 1 ही है. So when these ratios P by Q equal to R by S, then current is not flowing here.